Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's recipe we're going to make a wonderful braised carrots that goes over this delicious bed of couscous that's been tossed with a kale pesto. Let me talk about that pesto first. I love the kale pesto because it's much more nutrient rich than the basil pesto, and I always feel like I should eat more kale. So it's really great for that. Super healthy, super tasty, but let me show you how to make it. So we're going to start off by braising the carrots because that's the hard part. We're going to melt some butter. Get that kind of melted and going. And while that's melting, we're gonna prep our carrots. You can trim off the tops. You can even trim off the ends if you want. I kind of like the roots on there. I think it kind of gives it that farm look, but that's just me. And look at these carrots, beautiful, all these different colors. These are heirloom carrots, and the thing that is really interesting about it is we actually used to eat all of these different colored carrots, but then someone decided, hey, we should only do orange. But now we have all these colors again. It's like a United Colors of Benetton ad, like right there in your Dutch oven. So go ahead and just toss those carrots in, saute them, get them nicely coated with the butter, and turn up the heat a little bit because you want to kind of make them a little tender before we get to the braising part. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of sea salt. Now we need to get our garlic going. So we want to peel off that garlic. We're going to smash it. You don't have to dice it or anything. You just need to peel it because with the braising liquid, all those flavors are going to come out. And now we're going to add in our broth. Go ahead and add that garlic into the Dutch oven. And now we're going to turn up the heat a little bit more and just bring it to a boil. Once it begins to boil, turn it down to a low simmer and then cover them and cook them for about 10 minutes until they're fork tender. So while those carrots are braising, we're gonna make our couscous. So get that water boiling, but don't add the salt until it's actually boiling. If you do it, it can actually damage your pan. So once the water is boiling, go ahead and add in that salt, and then we're gonna add in the pearl couscous. Now, if you've had like a couscous salad and you're thinking, this looks nothing like the couscous that I've eaten, like what the hell? It's because this is actually Israeli couscous or pearl couscous, which is actually a little bit more like a pasta. Cover it up, and we're gonna turn the heat down and just let it slowly simmer for about 10 minutes until it's really nice and tender. So while those carrots are braising and the couscous is cooking, we're gonna make our pesto. So just go ahead and tear up that kale and add it to the food processor. Add in a little bit of sea salt. Go ahead and add in the pine nuts, and then add in your olive oil. And puree that until it's all nice and smooth. So those carrots are probably ready. So go ahead and just remove the carrots from the Dutch oven. And what we're gonna do is just bring that sauce to a boil to reduce it a little bit. We're gonna take the couscous, which is also probably ready, fluff it with a fork, let it dry out just a little bit because there's gonna be some liquid in there, and then add it to a mixing bowl along with the kale pesto. Toss the couscous and the pesto together. That braising liquid's probably ready now, so go ahead and remove that from the heat. And now we're ready to plate everything. Go ahead and put a nice layer of that pesto couscous on the bottom, top it off with those beautiful braised rainbow carrots, and then just a little bit of the braising liquid over the top. Maybe some chopped parsley, and I think you're good to go. I really love this recipe. Easy, simple, tasty, and delicious. I think you're gonna love it. Please try it out and let me know what you think. Just drop a comment and say, hey, that was great. Or if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time watching, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.